I would like to applaud this brave girl for not only catching hold of the culprits but also recording it on the camera, because cases of molestation have been on the rise, even though it has been made a cognizable offence, non-bailable offence, but it is seen that it has not deterred the molesters or predators. I would say it is gross violation of the law and breakdown of the law and order, because it appears that there is no fear of the law, and that is why it is happening in not only Hyderabad, I would say pan India, in autos, in buses, public transports, on highways. So I think the government, this present government, which was voted to power on the ground that it would protect the women, is failing in its duty, I would say.
Right. We also have activist Brinda Adige joining us on the phone line. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is a shocking incident in Hyderabad where a girl was being followed. She was traveling in an auto rickshaw and there were these people who are continuously harassing her, but she caught them on camera.
I think it is absolutely brave and courageous on the part of this girl to have captured this assault and the perpetrators on camera. And the most saddening and outrageous anger that I am feeling is the system, the police still refusing to register a case and apprehend these perpetrators. Time and again, we are seeing that the system is failing its citizens and mostly failing the girls and women of this nation. They are not giving any importance to the Prime Minister's slogan of Beti Bachao. And this is why it is necessary that the concerned officers, the DG of police, the Commissioner of police, take cognizance of the lapses and unprofessional behavior of police and see that they are punished and told categorically that you register the case and then you can decide on other things. Because it is very often in the patriarchal society that these people will blame the woman rather than the perpetrators.
Right. Brinda Adige, stay with us. Sunita Krishnan will also join us, but let's listen to the conversation. Let's see those visuals once again.
उनके मम्मी कॉलिंग पे ही जाओ।
तुम बात सीधी करो, बात सीधी करो।
जब से देख रही है रोड तमाशा के लिए निकलो।
कर ले तमाशा, मेरे को क्या करना है कर ले।
जो ऐसे चलो। क्या करना है?
कर लो तमाशा, मेरे को क्या है?
उतरो गली में। जो अरे आधा बजी।
So those are the visuals, and you heard that the...
अभी मेरे जो मेंबर्स अभी चले गए, सौगत राय जो बोल रहे थे 6 बंगाल के नेता जेल में गए, ये 7वां है जो इस प्रकार से नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट कंपनी के द्वारा चीफ मिनिस्टर के घर का दुरुपयोग होता है। इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए, इस संबंध में कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।